Hello and welcome to HT Auto. A few days back, we presented the first drive review of the MG Gloster luxury SUV here in India. Today, we're standing next to the same car, but the setting has changed completely. The car promises great off-roading capabilities, and it's a claim that we're putting to the test here in an off-road track in Gurugram. So without much ado, let's get this show on the road, or rather, off it. Gloster is a massive SUV which carries massive dreams for MG. Yes, it is huge. Yes, it has the luxury and safety features. Yes, it is touted as the country's first level 1 autonomous drive. But can it conquer terrain challenges in its path? MG says that the Gloster has off-roading capabilities to match the likes of the Pajero and the Land Cruiser. Now that's a very, very big claim. The Gloster does come with 4 drive modes particularly suited towards off-roading capabilities, and these are the rock, sand, mud and snow. There is no snow here in Gurugram, but we will put it to the test in all the other terrain modes. So let's find out what this car can do. Let's take a look at what the Gloster can do in submerged tracks, and for people in Gurugram and also maybe in Bombay or Mumbai, submerged roads during the monsoon season, well, a common sight. Just entered this track and so far, so good. So Gurugram and Mumbai people in particular, during the monsoon season, well, no trouble whatsoever in the Gloster. Remember, the ground clearance of this car is over 200 mm and the water wading capacity is over 510 millimeters to be precise, and that's a whole lot if you ask me. The Gloster is doing these circles on this submerged road, submerged track pretty effortless. The computers on board actually do a lot of thinking on your behalf, so you can just concentrate on exploring the wild trail. Gloster comes with 5-link integral rear suspension and a separate rear differential lock button. Doesn't make sense all that much to you? A bit too much jargon? Well, what this essentially means is that the Gloster can take itself out of sticky situations with more ease than regular vehicles. Now imagine a car which is on a slight incline and 2 of its tires are stuck in mud and the other 2 are on dry patch. You see a lot of the tires spinning, but the car actually not really moving at all. Now that is where this car and the features it gets, that's where it comes in. That rear differential lock actually ensures that the power is split between the 2 rear tires and you get enough traction to get out of that sticky situation. The 5-link integral rear suspension is what tries to achieve a balance between riding well on roads and riding confidently where there are no roads at all. A vehicle with multi-link suspension is better suited for rallying events and exploring the wild. I'm not so sure how well suited the 19-inch tires are off the road, even if they're really good on the road. But being someone who has always complained that the Hector and Hector Plus have puny tires, I'm not about to start complaining about what carries this massive vehicle. The key in this particular off-road track is to engage the sand and mud modes while going about the dust tracks, while bringing on the rock mode for something more challenging. Remember, when off the road, slow and steady wins the race. Gloster manages to keep itself maturely composed through a wide variety of obstacles, helped ably by its ground clearance. I hate going technical when reviewing a car for its off-road attributes, almost as much as I hate damaging the vehicle itself on rocks. But I will admit, the Gloster has been able to keep itself on a pedestal through all these murky and bumpy tracks here. Gloster has officially been launched in India, and here is the complete price structure of this luxury SUV. Let's face it, Only a microscopic few would put the Gloster to its absolute extreme off-road test. But the fact that this car can actually tackle a wide variety of terrain is a good thing to have on its resume and something you can show off if you choose to bring it on tracks like these. What do you make of the Gloster SUV from MG Motor? Do let us know. And once again, thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, drive safe.